everybody, welcome back to our channel. It is a beautiful Saturday and we are out here exploring the great mountains of Utah. It is a beautiful day to get out and explore.
You need to explore the world. Let me hold the cam. A sawmill stood where Bear Canyon campground is now located. Logs from Bear's Canyons were floating and flew to a mill where they could be repaired for shipping. Early settlers also watered grain sandstone from Salt Creek.
Hey, no, don't go down. See, you can walk down there too.
Wait, Mom,
What?
I'm not there.
What do you see? The mountain?
The mountain.
Yeah, it has snow on it too. It's so cool, huh?
Where's this? It's kind of like snow.
We made it up to Nipo Mountain, I think.
Yeah.
No,
Nathan, throw them one by one.
it was a scary drive, but we made it up.
Let's throw them one by one. Wait, they're going. Oh, look, there's a tree. Oh, I took all them off. That's right.
Sadie.
Mom, look. Look, Mom. Mommy, look. Mommy, let's play. We can let go. I feel like I'm in the Frosted Peak, but the new update zone.
Yeah,
From Bugsnax.
we are what they call the Devil's Kitchen. I think that's what it's called. You have the key? Okay, Daddy has the key.
Guys, we're going on the trail.
There's a trail right here. Ooh.
These are snowberries. Mommy, that's a snowberry. This is the best.
Yeah.
Look, there's more. Let's go eat them. Yeah, you're trying to eat that one. You go eat that one. Daddy, that's not smoke. Daddy, that's smoke. Oh my God!
That's a what?
Aspen tree. Jason!
Yeah.
Mom, these are choke berries. They're poisonous. And acid. They're acid. Yeah, I think I see another one. Wait, it's my turn. Oh, yeah. This is super.
It's really cold.
Mountain mangrove.
Yeah?
Yeah. You see that flower? That's the one.
That's the big little one. Careful!
These are called devil oak bush.
Sadie! Hey!
I see the creek. Rattlesnake. What?
Nolan!
Quiet.
Be careful. Look at that.
That's you.
The center view. What's the snake?
Yeah, careful. Oh! Oh, hold on, wait. Wow.
Look, let's read this.
Устраивать траекторию, когда сам ты так дергаешься, а здесь он сам плавно между этими и даже опускание камеры сделал. Ну, чтобы было.
Wow, look at that. Hi, baby. Look at that, Papa. Look.
A flying devil. Wait, where? I think I do see one.
It's called the Devil's Kitchen, boys.
No. I said I saw a thorny devil. A type of lizard that has four. Neighbor, look, I see another one. There. You read this side, I read that side. Okay. Okay. The Salt Creek Canyon. A Sandwich Mountain. The Skyline Drive. The Wilderness and Stand Guys, what? Oh my, never.
Okay, Nolan.
Guys. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Woohoo.
This is my biggest name here. Yes. I'm falling over here.
Wow, that was nice.
Can we go find the ones that look like those?
What?
The ones that look fun.
Well, that was awesome. We almost tried to turn around, but we came up this way. Glad we did. Boys! Mama, say boys, come here. Boys, come here. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get your game on. Oh, hey, hey now, you're a rock star. Get your game on. Oh, hey. Mama. And my soul. Matamatsuri. Mango. Utah. Color.
It's super fun exploring and flying a drone.
Yeah. Was it cool flying it?
Yeah. I'm flying another
Careful with your sister. Yo, I'm the way,
mountain. Find another mountain that has animal things.
Well, we wanted to go that way, but it's closed, so.
See ya. Hi.
Hi, buddy. Look, it's snow on the ground.
Okay, let's go here.
Careful, mommy.
Wait, there's another drone.
So, pauai makaingi, pauai suakanga. Be careful, please.
Okay. Whoa.
Stand it up. It's really cold.
Yeah, it is.
We should have brought our stick up here. Hey! Maya!
There's snowball fights! Dad, just said what snow at me.
Careful, Nate.
Oh my. And no
No,
trick.
no. Oh, no.
Guys, snowball!
Iya.
It wasn't me, it was Nolan.
So iya.
No, don't play with it.
Can you eat snow?
No, don't eat that one.
I used to eat.
A deer pee on it. And you guys touched it. A deer pee on the snow.
How do you know if it's
I can see it. Look at the deer. Look, someone walked on it too.
What?
Don't touch it.
Ah.
Yucky! Oh my gosh. You're kuka. Enjoy this video. If you do, please give us a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.
See you later. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, or else I punch you forever.
See you.